fresh like the morning. Mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time they see me, they in G-Shock. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like a luminati.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading out to a beautiful picnic spot by the seaside with some of our friends, and I prepared some delicious Turkish homemade borek along with some tea and coffee and stuff. And my friend brought a gorgeous homemade chocolate cake. So they are all set, and now we are on our way to sea. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so we are finally here, but we are just pulling into parking area now, and it's a bit busy. So we will find a parking spot, and I can't wait to show you all the picnic setup and amazing view we will have there. So stay with me. We finally arrived here, and just look at the view. I mean, it's absolutely breathtaking. You hear the waves, and the sun is shining so brightly. So let's grab our things and find a nice spot for picnic setup. So we have so many things, and we are just trying to set up here. And after some tea, coffee and some snacks, we will have fishing here. So everyone is hungry, so now we are enjoying our tea, coffee and our food. So after having our tea, coffee and stuff, my husband and our friends started getting the fishing rods ready. So the good kids are super curious too. They also want to catch some fish. So they are really into it. And watching them put the bait on, and while they fish, we are just soaking in this gorgeous view. And honestly, it's the perfect day for picnic. So there are a few stores here, right along the seaside, where they have these kind of cloths and some cheap clothes. So it's really fun to walk through. So everyone is so excited to see if they'll catch the fish or not. And our son, my husband, his friend, and even their son, everyone's got a rod, and they're just trying. They're just having the best time out here trying to catch some fish in the sun. So it's such a great vibe here. So my husband, our friend's husband, and the boys, we went over to that big platform you can see. I just zoomed in. So they are giving it a shot from there as well. Maybe they'll catch some fish from there. And we are just enjoying here, having tea, coffee. I think I'll give it a try too. Just for fun. So, even if we don't catch any fish, I'm just so happy that we are all here together enjoying this perfect day. So my friend's son gave it a try, but oops. Anyways, it's not a problem. So my friend tried to throw it and she got a really nice cast. Wow. I had a pretty good hit too. So the kids are now really enjoying some fresh ice cream from local shop nearby and the flavors are amazing. Look at the sea in the afternoon. It is just sparkling like all these glitters on the water. I mean, the sea at this time is so beautiful because of this glittery like look. So we had such a great time today and now we are packing up our things. We are all pretty hungry so we are heading to a restaurant near our house for dinner and our friends though are going to head in the other direction since they come from other side. So we are just saying goodbye to them now and then we will head off to have dinner somewhere.
You turn so cold on me, baby. And you'll miss
So we came here to our kids' favorite spot, and it's called, Tawuk Dunya Sea means Chicken World. We were here a few days ago as well, and we are super hungry now, so we are going to order.
fire burned out. It's fading slow and deep. The fire burned out, darling. It's fading slow and deep. I'll keep on moving forward, but I'll cry myself to sleep.
So our order came. My son ordered some spicy chicken, and my husband ordered chef special, and I ordered full that is very spicy. So it's all that. Now we'll enjoy our dinner and we'll go to our home.
Oh, it's gone for good. One day I'll open my heart
So
again.
that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. So until our next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye. We are just going to the parking area. Bye bye.
You know I'm free now, honey. I'm free from your chain. Oh, free now, honey. I'm free from your chain. And now that we're just memories, is all I can do.